ko sa relationship na meron sila is perfect mismatch. Perfect mismatch kasi sobrang magkaiba sila, as in totally different persons, people.
Para sa mga hindi kasi nakakaalam, di ba? 2 weeks lang or 3 weeks na sila. 3 weeks bago sila ikasal. Pero nananatili pa yung misteryo sa 25 years kung sino talaga ng ligaw. Kasi kwento ni Papa, si Mama daw ng ligaw. Kwento naman ni Mama, si Papa daw yung nanligaw.
Sa 25 years na magkasama sila, hindi sila nagbago. As in, yun pa rin sila. Mula sa naalala ko nung bata ako, yun pa rin sila.
Come and fill up this dry land.
Very blessed kami kasi binigyan kami ng 4 wonderful children. And I have a loving husband who's always there for me.
Inside of us, you're here inside of me. Take me to the beautiful, where the rivers flow, where the love that never ends. Oh, I wanna go to the beautiful.
Hi, Mahay pa. Happy 25th anniversary. Mapa, thank you for being there for us. Thank you for the support, especially to me.
Oh, come on and take me again. Take me into the mystery, gently lift me with your grace.
Tapos yung mga ibang facts naman, settled na eh. Kung sino mas magaling na driver, alam naman natin si Mama. Kung sino daw yung mas swerte or mas naka-jackpot, si Papa daw dahil daw mas maganda si Mama.
Cover me so that all might see that it's you, not me, it is you that I'm singing of. Take me to the beautiful, where the rivers flow, where the love that never ends. Oh, I wanna go to the beautiful, la 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 la.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary to my best parents ever. Yung dad ko is very cool, may cool dad, and then si mommy very supportive. And yeah, mommy, maging thankful ka kasi you have daddy. May looks na, may hunk body pa, tsaka may brain pa.
Love that always invites us to be.
Ginawa siguro nila para mag-work yung marriage na to is mag-compromise. Na feeling ko yun yung nakuha ko mula sa relationship na meron sila at siguro kaya naging successful. Oh my God.
You're the best friends anyone could have.
Kaya sana i-cherish nyo yung 25 years nyo and yung upcoming years nyo together. And sana enjoy nyo yung honeymoon nyo sa Boracay. Enjoy! Love you both. Love you.
Pero ngayon sa inyong mag-asawa, ngayon after 35 years, nasabihin nyo, God has called you together. Kung merong nag-upload, kung merong nag-isa sa inyo, yan ay walang iba, kundi ang Diyos.